Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, if ABCD is a square, what is the equation of the line that passes through the origin and the point C? How can we solve this? We know that the equation of the line passing through the origin will be equal to y equal to mx. So we just need to calculate the slope of the line OC. How can we solve this? Let this point is A0 and this point is B0. Then point B will be B and B by 6 from here. Similarly, point A will be A and B by 6. And point D will be A and from here 2A. And point C will be B and 2A. So slope of the line OC, slope of OC is equal to 2A divided by B. Now AB is equal to BC because ABCD is a square, so we can write B minus A equal to 2A minus B by 6. We can simplify this and this will be equal to 3A equal to 7B divided by 6. And from here we can write A equal to 7B divided by 18. So the slope of OC to A by B will be equal to 2 divided by B, and the value of A is 7B divided by 18. B will be cancelled with this B, and 2 into 9, 18. So the slope M is equal to 7 by 9, and the equation of the line OC will be equal to 7 by 9x. And this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.